Press power to switch on. Wait patiently for the loading to complete. No other action is required in the meantime. Unlock. Click back to the mechanical origin. Wait for the machine to return to the home position. All axes return to the home position with the home mark. Go to Access Operation page. HITECO movement. Various speed controls. Toggle interface. Switching to the tool magazine. Switch type or interface. Command input screen. Manual movement of the axis. Hand wheel mode MPG. Continuously press and hold the side button to unlock and safely use the hand wheel.